Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new style box that had been recommended by a viewer. It's called the JB Stylebox, and it's like other subscription boxes where you pay somebody $20 to style a wardrobe for you, and they will send you between 5 and 7 items, and then you get to pick what you want and send back what you don't want. The difference is that JB Stylebox actually has humans. Well, what I mean by that is that a lot of the other subscription boxes are very robotic, where, you get a little note from somebody, but it is, it seems like it's generated from a computer. I know that I have done some and I really enjoyed them, and sometimes I don't. And I think the one problem is that it doesn't feel as personalized like JB Stylebox. And the reason why is because JB Stylebox, you sign up and they actually call you on the telephone. Yeah, an actual human. I had a lovely stylist, her name is Ryann. She called me and we talked a little bit on the email, and then she called me back again and we discussed the different things that I like, what I want, what I don't want, what I need, what I don't need. I told her what my style was, and we literally had a conversation on the phone. Then later on, she emailed me to tell me that, the box was styled and everything was on its way, and to let her know when everything would arrive. So I got everything last night. I sent her a quick little email and said received everything, and now I'm going to show you what I got. So let's see here. See, it comes wrapped up really nice. They actually put a ribbon. Oh, look at this. It's a handwritten note. Okay, wait. It's an actual human that wrote the letter. So it says, "Yay, Dee Dee. You got your very first style box." I like that they wrote it big enough so I don't need my reading glasses or a magnifying glass. "I hope you love it as much as I do. You mentioned wanting some soft pinks and lavenders, so I tried to stay in that color range while maintaining a boho feel. I think layering is super fun this time of year, which is why I included I can't read what that says. I think it says sweater, something sweater, bralette, and leggings. Each of those are just so easy to pair with other things." Now that sounds like something that I could wear and stay home in and be cozy but still look cute. "Anyways, let me know what you like and where I could have done better. Love, your stylist, Ryann." Okay, so this just looks so pretty. jbandme, they have 2 locations in Michigan. One is in Holland, Michigan, and one is in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I think they have like an actual store, a clothing store with accessories, etc., that you can actually go in and shop. And they also started this new style box, so I'll be really excited to see what's in here. Christmas time is here. This is lovely. All right, so the first thing, oh, this is cute. I like this. This is a bralette. Let me see the brand. Brand is Nikibiki. Cute. This is really cute. All right, the next thing is a blouse. Gotta try that on. And then jeans. Oh, look. These jeans are called Hidden. I've never heard the brand before, but it's always fun to try new stuff, right? I like that it's distressed and it's like a boyfriend jean. So that's all the rage right now. And then there's more. It's like Christmas. This is a BB Dakota sweater. Ooh, I kind of like it. I'm usually not a stripes person, but this is kind of cute. I like the colors. And it doesn't itch because I told her I cannot wear wool, so feels like she listened. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Look how cute this is. It's like a little crop hoodie. How adorable. Look at that. I can't tell you. This is so soft. Oh my god, it has these little finger holes. All right, this thing's gonna fall off anyway. Oh my goodness, I love the color. This is so cute. I haven't been this excited about a style box in a long time. All right, so that's 5 pieces. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, these are the leggings. Oh, these are cute. They've got some kind of texture on them. I don't know if you can see it very well. They're also, even though they have some texture on it, they're pretty soft. It looks like it's gonna go with everything. And then what do we have here? a skirt? Yeah, no. Oh my God, it's a dress. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Can't wait to try all these things on. Okay, I'm not looking at this yet. That's the price list. These are actual photographs. Look at that. It shows you how to style your outfits. How cute is this? Okay, I'm not gonna bore you with that. All right, I'm gonna go try everything on and show and tell. I'll be right back. All right, so this is outfit number 1. These are the jeans and they have a button fly, which is cute, kind of cool, different. You can't really see it, but I know it's there. These are very comfortable. I'm really enjoying the way they fit. Yeah, I like the length of them. They're super cute. And I styled them with my Converse, which is probably, you know, one of 3 options that I would wear this with. And then this is the top. I'm wearing it with the sports bra, but I'm not gonna show you that. I am a lady, of course. Yeah, and the top, I mean, I first looked at it and I was like, I'm not sure, but now I tried it on and I'm kind of loving it. I love that it's just completely different than anything I have. And I love the sleeves. They're not too short. And I mean, there is animal print, but it's not so obvious. So I'm really digging it. I'm really enjoying it. I'll be back with the next outfit. This is the sweater. Unfortunately, it is 5% wool and I don't really feel it yet, but I know that if I wait a little longer, I'm gonna end up in hives. It is cute, but I'm just wary of wearing wool because I'm starting to itch. See, it's a cute sweater though. If you can wear wool, even though it's 5%, it itches me. If you can wear wool, this is definitely super cute and super soft. So I would recommend it. It's just not for me, only because I just can't handle the itching. Be right back. This is the next outfit. These are the leggings that have a little bit of texture to them. It's actually snake print, but it's not obvious. So it's different than any other leggings I have. And I could wear them with like a long sweater and some Uggs, like I styled right here. This is the hoodie. I love the hoodie. I love that it, you know, it's got a hood and it kind of looks a little bit more turtlenecky up front. And I love the finger holes. I don't love what's happening right here. Do you see that weirdness going on in the sleeve? It just doesn't look right. Like, if it wasn't for this, I would totally keep it, but I know that this is going to bother me. I don't know if it was the way it's sewn. Maybe they used too much fabric, but it just doesn't look right here. But it is very soft and very comfortable. Just a shame that it kind of has that weirdness there. And I know, like I said, it's gonna bother me. So yeah, I might keep the leggings, but the top, I'm not going to just because this just doesn't look right. See you in the next one. So this is the dress and I am in love with this dress. If there's only one thing I will keep from the box, it would be this dress. I paired it with my cowboy boots. And this is totally something I would wear on date night or going out with the girlfriends for like an afternoon tea. Isn't it lovely? I mean, when we can go out for afternoon tea, that is. But it's not practical for this season, but I think that this is something I'm gonna have for at least the next 20 years. This is so beautiful. And it's so me. And I just love it. So there was a little surprise in here that I just found. They're earrings, huh? I'm not sure about these earrings. They're not something that I see myself wearing. They're cute though, but I just not sure about that. So let's go through the prices. These earrings are called New Leaf earrings, and they are $32. I don't think I'm getting them only because I'm just not into them. The bralette is $32. I like this a lot. Even if I don't buy this other top, I would still buy this because I would wear it with a lot of things that I have. So keep. All right. The next item on the list is the FP Dani button down. Is it this one? All right. This top is $108. I don't think I'm gonna spend $108 on this top. It was very cute, but probably worth it, but I just can't see myself buying something when I look at the price and I'm like, oh, never mind, because that means I just don't love it as much. I think 108 is a little steep right now, so we're gonna have to pass on this one. It's cute though. Okay. Hidden Zoey mom jean. Oh, they were mom jeans. $74. These are the jeans. These are super cute. I think that these are gonna be on my maybe list. I definitely like the way they fit, so I'm gonna have to give it like a few minutes before I decide 100%. The next thing is the BB Dakota Mellow Me sweater, and that sweater is $89. Wait, is that what that is? Yeah. I think it's really cute. I just can't wear wool. Even if it's 5%, I know it already started itching me after wearing it for about 5 minutes. So unfortunately, I'm not keeping it, but it is very pretty and very soft. The next thing is the Z Supply Kacey hoodie, $95. I don't think this is worth $95. And the reason being is because the sleeves are just, they're made very strangely. Like this just kept sticking out really funny and it's very weird. It's very stiff here on the edges. So I'm gonna have to pass. I don't think it should be $95 for that mistake right there. If it was seamless, maybe, but it's just not right. Okay, these leggings, Nikibiki snake print legging. It is a snake print, $32. That's not bad. This is not a bad price. Not a bad price. I'm just not in love with them. So if I'm not like in love with something and it's not sparking joy, as everybody likes to use that phrase now, I just don't bother because I know I'm not gonna wear it. And later on, I'm gonna look through it and go, why did I get that? And last but not least, the Billa Gypset dress, which is the one I am wearing. And honestly, I'm in love with this dress. And that's why I kept it on, because it made me feel like a princess. The price on this is $69.95. I think that's a very good price because if you buy this from like Free People, it would probably be over $100. It is just absolutely beautiful. Just looks so good on me and it made me very happy. It sparked joy. So subtotal for everything is $531.95 plus tax ends up being $563.89. Thanks to your referral, you will also receive 20% off at checkout and we subtract your $20 styling fee from your total. So I am not keeping the 3 tops. Those 3 tops I'm just not keeping. And I'm not keeping the leggings or the earrings, but I think I'm gonna keep the jeans. They looked very good on me and they were super cute and comfy. And I'm gonna keep the bralette and the dress. So the total would be, oh my God, I have to do math. $32 for the bralette, $74 for the jeans, and $69.95 for the dress, plus tax, but I get 20% off, and we deduct a $20 styling fee. So the total would be $120.76, which I think is a bargain for 3 beautiful items of clothing. So thank you, Ryann. This was a great experience. I enjoyed what you sent. Unfortunately, I can't do wool at all, so I'm going to have to send that sweater back, but I really did love it. It was beautiful and it was soft and it looked great. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and JB Stylebox was a great experience and I'm definitely going to do it again. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes up. Bye! Hold on.